case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, the Supreme Court of Missouri heard the case of Kenton v. Hyatt Hotels Corp., which focused on the principle that a jury can determine the amount of money awarded in personal injury lawsuits without specifying the exact amounts for each type of damage. The case stemmed from a skywalk collapse at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Kansas City, Missouri, which severely injured Kenton. Kenton sued the hotel, and a jury awarded her $4 million in damages. However, the trial court ordered a remittitur of $250,000. Kenton accepted but later requested the full amount be reinstated. The Court of Appeals affirmed the judgment, but did not restore the remittitur, and the case was transferred to the Supreme Court of Missouri. Appellants argued that certain evidence related to the hotel events and the skywalk's weight was improperly admitted, but the court disagreed. The trial court allowed evidence related to compensation and expert testimony regarding the demands of attending law school and practicing law. Ultimately, the Supreme Court of Missouri upheld the jury's damages award and set aside the remittitur order, granting Kenton the full $4 million in damages.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.